Welcome to yet another interesting episode of this yet interesting show on YouTube, where we get to discuss what's making big waves on the blockchain ecosystem. I'm your regular host, Ethan, and today I'm going to be anchoring the show as usual. But before we start, I'm going to beg on you to show some love, support the effort by pausing this video, scrolling down and hitting on the subscribe button. And next to the subscribe button, you're going to see a little bell dangling. Then just hit on that bell so that you get notified anytime we drop cool videos like this. And I really beg on you that if you like this video, don't be shy, don't be lazy, don't procrastinate. Just hit on the like button of this video right now. And let's get started. So, this video, I don't know if I'm going to call it a series, but so we're going to be talking about something we've already discussed on this platform. It's the MatrixAI Network. In our previous review of the MatrixAI Network, which if you've not watched that video yet, I think it's better if you pause this video, go down and get to watch the video review on MatrixAI Network, so that it will give you a preview of what is coming next, which is this video you're watching now. But if you've watched the video, you could realize that basically in the first video that I made about the MatrixAI Network, I basically was making a basic review about the project, though I made some specific I gave some specific details, which was about the token analysis, the token of the network. That's the MatrixAI Network token, and we discussed about how it's doing in the market, and I asked for your reviews and views on the project. And thanks to all of you guys who gave you honest reviews. I really appreciate it. So today we are gonna be diving right in deeper and deeper into what the project has to offer. I might as well say that having made more and more research on this project, I have become undoubtedly a very big fan of this project, because I think what this project has to offer is something that was really lacking. It was just like that tiny bit of pin that was lacking for the whole. So I'm going to be talking about some specific offers that comes from this project, what this project has to offer. And I'll be starting with the AI assisted programming. Yeah, why do I call it AI assisted programming? Now, MatrixAI Network, it's sort of a framework, it's a blockchain on its own, just like the Ethereum blockchain, just like the Bitcoin blockchain. MatrixAI Network is a blockchain on its own. So now, as a blockchain, sometimes users, people who know how to do it, will go to write their smart contracts, for various uses. Now, in MatrixAI Network, since it is an AI embedded network, an AI embedded blockchain, it offers the users the ability to code this smart contract without even any knowledge about coding. Unlike, I don't want to call them traditional, but unlike basic blockchains, whereby if you want to get your smart contract, you have to hire probably someone who has an idea, or a professional in blockchain programming, who's going to study the particular kind of language that maybe the blockchain uses, and then writes the smart contracts for you. But here in the MatrixAI Network, there's an AI assisted programming where you just only need to specify the details, the things you want the way you want your smart contracts to be. Smart contract, like it says, it's a smart contract. It's a predetermined contract. So you just only need to give those specific details, and then the system is going to automatically write the smart contracts for you. It's going to run the programming and basically the things you need for the smart contract to get up and running. So basically, in a nutshell, you don't need to have any bit of idea about programming to write a smart contract on the MatrixAI network. So that's one of the things that has made me become more of a fan of this project. More so, I'm going to be talking about the introduction of the avatar intelligence in this project. MatrixAI Network has introduced something that I don't think is in everywhere. If you've seen it before, you can as well, drop the link on the comment section, so that I can check it out. But to the best of my knowledge, I think they are the pioneers of the avatar intelligence system. So what is the AVI? What's the avatar intelligence? In my own words, the avatar intelligence is one of the latest advancements to artificial intelligence. Let's consider an avatar to be a character. Okay, now, avatar intelligence is the concept of having an avatar, which is a virtual character, to be able to operate on its own, to have a mind of itself. Now, let me bring in a use case. Okay, let's consider playing a game, just like the gangster mini game, where you have to control a character to perform some tasks, to overcome some obstacles. That character is an avatar. So, but in the case of that gaming, you as the gamer, you're the one who's controlling that avatar to make certain decisions, to take certain actions in the gaming world. So in this case, the AVI, that's the avatar intelligence, seeks to give such an avatar a mind of its own. So unlike traditionally, where you get to control your gaming character, your gaming avatar, to take some decisions, to perform some actions. Now, this avatar is on its own able to identify certain actions to take at certain situations. It runs independently. So that is a basic illustration of an avatar being intelligent. That's called the avatar intelligence. Avatar intelligence. So MatrixAI Networks seeks not just to create a self-controlled avatar, but helps users to create an avatar that just, has the mind of themselves. It's just like having a clone of yourself, something that would take a sort of decision that you would take in a certain situation. So that is what MatrixAI Network is working on. They are working on trying to help users create clones of themselves, avatar clones of themselves that will be able to think like them, walk like them, act like them, make decisions that they would make, although in the metaverse, in the virtual world. Yeah, because it's not physical, in the virtual world. So let me sample a use case. Let's say you're a gamer and you have your own avatar, which is running on the MatrixAI avatar intelligence. That means you might have uploaded your neural senses into it. So that avatar basically plays the game, basically runs the game as though it were you. It will make the kind of decisions that you would make on that kind of situations. So this the MatrixAI avatar intelligence would have a span of use cases spanning across gaming, spanning across social media, and spanning across dating apps. So for instance, in the social media, you would have a GPT that would reply messages in a sort of tone at which you would reply if you were faced with those sort of possibly questions. And maybe on dating apps, it will be employed in gaming systems, it will be employed in social media, to employed in dating apps, and so basically a lot of other systems. So let's talk about the MANTA. The MANTA is called the MatrixAI Training Assistant. So let's take an example: Siri or Alexa, where they're like assistants. You call Siri, please help me get online and get this information for me, and Siri will do that. Alexa, check this, check that for me, and that will do that. So the MANTA, that's the MatrixAI Training Assistant, is going to be a system that will be learning. It's going to be installed in your devices, and it's going to be learning about your daily routine. Trying to learn how you react to things, try to learn your preferences, such that this information can be used to respond to your queries, to respond to your obligations when necessary. So that's one of the basic features of the MatrixAI network, the MANTA. Some will call it the MANTA. So MatrixAI Network is also partnering with a neural tech company, the NeuraMatrix. So the NeuraMatrix is a tech company which is specified in integrated circuits and biomaterials. So for the sake of this video, I don't want to dwell too much on the NeuraMatrix. I don't want to dissect the company. But in a little overview, the NeuraMatrix is working on trying to install very tiny chips, integrated circuits into the brain to help for various reasons, for numerous reasons, to help possibly to cure some diseases, to help upgrade the brain functionalities and so on. So MatrixAI Network will be partnering with this giant biotech company, the NeuraMatrix, where they'll be working together in trying to build a system which will be able to effectively, non-hazardously design a system where the users, as you and I, will be able to upload our brain waves into the MatrixAI network system, where it will be able to use this information and create these avatars, these avatar clones of me and you. So this project has so much to offer, and trust me, this is not just all, but for want of time, I'm going to stop here and help you digest this information. It might interest you to let you know that for those who are into the project for basically value exchange purpose, when I mean value exchange, I mean trading purpose, who wish to be trading and earning and holding the MatrixAI network token, that's the MAN token. It has been eminent that for a very long time now, the MatrixAI network enthusiasts and users have been yearning for a mobile wallet. Basically, right now, what's available is the web wallet where we make transactions. And other than that, the basic way to get the MatrixAI network token was maybe through a centralized exchanger such as KuCoin. So, MatrixAI network is currently building and testing. They've already built it, so they are currently testing the MatrixAI network mobile wallet, and trust me, this is gonna be a blast. I'm gonna provide screenshots of the mobile wallet so you can see how nice the user interface looks like, and I think the wallet also will be enhancing the mining, the staking and the mining. So there is a call for testers. If you are interested in the network, you're interested to help, I'm gonna drop I'm gonna drop an email address in the description of this video. So you're going to drop a message to that email address expressing your willingness to help test the wallet. So the wallet will get launched anytime within the ending part of this year. So we are expecting the wallet in between October and December, or possibly latest early 2024. So thank you guys for watching this video. It has been my pleasure to discuss this amazing project with you. Personally, I won't lie, I am a big fan of this project. Like I said in my previous video, I had bought the MatrixAI native token, and I'm holding a couple of it, and I'm even looking forward to buy more. So I'm going to encourage you, not a financial advice, I'm going to make your research before doing so, but I'm going to encourage you, if you see it favorable to you, and I feel you will, go on and get the MatrixAI network token, the MANTA token, and I envision large benefits. Yes, I envision large benefits. I'm not gonna put pressure on you. It's personal. It's a personal opinion, right? It's a personal opinion. So I'm not gonna put pressure on you. So, but I'm encouraging you to make research on this coin. So in the description, I'm gonna be dropping a series of links, where you can follow up to get to know more about this project. So if you are interested in the financial aspect of this project, which is possibly trading with the assets, or staking the assets, or holding the assets for future benefits, you are open to that, I really encourage you to that. Not a financial advice, it's just a personal opinion. And if you are also, or rather, interested in the AVI, then I really encourage you to do that, because that's going to be the future of the metaverse, because the world is revolving, and it's evolving. So should you. So once again, thanks for watching, and do have a nice time. Please drop your comments about what you like about the MatrixAI network, possibly what you would think can be improved upon on the network. Thank you very much.